Connecting your Google domain to Squarespace allows you to use your custom domain for your Squarespace website. Here are the steps to set this up. Log into Squarespace. Go to squarespace.com and log in with your account credentials. Go to the settings. Click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the Squarespace dashboard. Domains. From the left-hand menu, select Domains. Add a new domain. Click on Connect a domain and choose Google Domains from the list of domain providers. Log into Google Domains. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google Domains account. Select your domain. Choose the domain you wish to connect from the list of domains linked to your Google account. Confirm verification. Squarespace will provide instructions on how to verify your domain. This usually involves setting up DNS records in Google Domains. Update DNS records. In Google Domains, navigate to DNS settings and add the following Squarespace-specific DNS records. Save DNS settings. Save the DNS settings in Google Domains. It may take some time for the changes to propagate across the web. Check connection. Once verified, your Google domain will be successfully connected to your Squarespace website, and your custom domain will be used for your website's address.